Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, today in this video I am going to cover Cognizant Gen Z payroll mass hiring 2024 started sending the round 1 communication test mail, and what I am going to cover like mandatory prerequisite, 10 important point, do and don'ts, system requirement, MSB installation, do and don'ts, FAQ, each and everything I am going to cover. So video को अपने जरूर देखना. So let's begin. And most important thing, okay, so not everyone is going to receive the test mail. Only for those candidates who qualify the screening process, means for those candidates who meeting the criteria and whose profile is going to be shortlisted, those candidates only they are going to receive the Cognizant round 1 online communication assessment mail updates. And today most of the candidates got their updates, and they, as you already know, that Cognizant Gen Z payroll hiring is for 2024 batch on campus candidates. Okay, so see, so this type of mail you are going to receive from the Cognizant team, that what they are mentioning. Let's check. Okay, greeting from Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have been shortlisted for communication assessment. Okay, okay, so it is a sensitive assessment, and hence we request you to complete the mandatory prerequisite well in advance for ensure a smooth assessment. And what they are mentioning, so let's discuss. Okay, so complete the mandatory audio quality check. You have to check audio quality to ensure that audio quality of your device and familiarize with the test environment. Please use the same device for final assessment as well. Check this link to understand the exclusive do and don'ts for the audio check and actual assessment. Install MSB and test in advance for the scheduled assessment date to avoid any comparison session at the time of launch of assessment. Refer the installation guide and for the same. Click here to download the MSB and perform the system computer check. Just click on these things and you are able to download. And after downloading, just click on next. They are the software is one by default. They are going to check the process. Okay, ensure the desktop laptop video socket in the proper working condition and function connected webcam, stable internet connectivity, USB connector with a mounted mic are very good quality. Okay, important point, perform the audio quality check. Okay, ensure the voice of the microphone is very cleared. Take the assessment in quiet and noise free and well defined environment, and only once आपको एक बार टेस्ट करने का मौका मिलेगा. Do not press F5 or refresh the assessment and hit the start button, and please use the system check compatibility check before the assessment. The assessment has more than one section. Please do not click finish test button until you complete all the section. Upon clicking the finish test button, you are shown the summary of complete section, and only one attempt is available. Okay, and take assessment in quiet and well in face. Speak loudly and clearly following on screen instruction. Place it the mic 2 to 3 inch away from to one side of the mouth. If you are using the inline mic, please hold the mouthpiece using the chord. Okay, conduct assessment fairly, and if you any malpractice वगैरह बताया गया है. डोंट क्या है, sit in location with any background noise. नहीं बैठना है आपको. थर्ड पार्टी पर्सन नहीं होना चाहिए कोई भी. यूज द माइक्रो कंप्यूटर माइक एंड टच द हेडफोन, चार्ज द माइक वगैरह बताया गया है. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर जीरो टॉलरेंस बताया गया है, और यहाँ पर आपको टेस्ट लिंक देखने को मिलेगा. दैट जीरो टॉलरेंस फॉर माई प्रैक्टिस. अगर चीटिंग करते हो तो आपको रिजेक्ट कर देगी. सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट, MSB, डो एंड डॉस, FAQ, और यहाँ पर आपको लिंक दिया रहेगा जो कि 31 मई को है जो है अवेलेबल. स्टार्ट सबमिट वीट विल ओनली भी अवेलेबल एट, और 31 आपसे पहले आपको जो है स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव रीड ऑल इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह दिया गया है. ठीक है, and this is for the process. Okay, round 1 is going to be happen on 31st May, and if you clear then you will receive a round 2 online test, aptitude test 3rd June, and technical assessment 4th June. Round 3 is going to be offline, technical interview on 10th June, and after the LOI. And this is for criteria, and this is a mandatory document for registration, mandatory document for interview, and important not for registration. Okay, so if you want to prepare, I will provide the link of Prep Insta. You can follow the link. You will find the link, and you will finding all the section, what the communication assessment, what the time duration and difficulty level, and you can prepare for the question as well. Okay, English grammar, speaking, and I will provide the link as well. सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट. विदाउट पूछना मेरे दूसरे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.